So Matt and I, we're both product and furniture designers, and both have a real passion for motorbikes. We know how each other work really well, and it means there's a certain sort of fluidity in the workshop. I think you just have to look around the shed to see that we love what we do. We try and take maybe an outdated bike or a fully knackered bike, and we try and make them work as well as they would have new, or if not better. And that's really important to us, that all of the bikes we do build work really, really well.